Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, the overall experience that I have in the IT industry currently is somewhere around 11 to 12 years. And I started learning data science somewhere in 2014 January. And within 4 months, I was able to crack my first data science job. And there I was specifically working with respect to machine learning. Now, you may be thinking, Krish, how did you start? Okay, let me tell you about that. Before working as a data scientist, I was a .NET developer in the software engineering domain itself, basically in the role of software engineering. Now, at that point of time, one of the application that I made, it was a kind of AI application. And this I got to know when I was talking to my friends who were doing their masters in US in the field of AI. Then as soon as I understood, okay, this is the application that what I have actually created, I should definitely go into this field because I knew the scope of this field will definitely increase. The first reason is that data is getting created exponentially more and more, right? And then I definitely knew that yes, this is the thing that I really want to do. So in 2014 Jan, I took the task that I should at least learn machine learning, try to implement some end-to-end projects, and then try to clear an interview through which later on I will be able to gain more and more experience. Now my learning process was quite difficult, guys, because during that time, not much materials, hardly some materials were available in the internet, so I had to be dependent more on my friends who were doing their masters in US and Germany. I called them up. I tried to get up a lot of materials, PDFs and all, a lot of research papers. And I started seeing different things. Initially, it was very difficult, guys, because understand that, right? Even though you're good at maths, right? The terms that will be used on those kind of research papers, it will be very difficult to understand, right? So you don't find a simplified way to basically learn at that point of time. So I should take help of my friends, understand each and every equation, how it is related to a real world problem statement. Everything I try to understand, and thanks to them, just within the span of 3 to 4 months, I was able to clear the job interview. Then, as soon as I worked for 4 to 5 years in the data science industry, then at that point of time, the scope of data science was like exponentially increasing. Everybody was talking about that. The job profiles were extensive in the market. The salary was quite huge. Everybody was getting an amazing hike. But still, people were facing that how can we efficiently learn? So in somewhere in 2018 December, I started my YouTube channel, uploading videos in my YouTube channel. And my main purpose of uploading the YouTube videos was to simplify the concept and learn in such a way that each and every person should be able to learn data science itself. And my mode of communication with respect to all these data science videos were English. So I started talking about the roadmap. I started talking about what are the things you basically need to learn. Then I entered into the technical things like different algorithms, how you can learn things, what is cost function. And then I probably went into deep learning. And just within 2 years, I was able to upload somewhere around 1400 videos for you all. Then the outcome of this was that it was quite amazing. Many people were able to clear the interviews in a very easy way. Even the interviewers, when they were taking the interview, they knew me. So because of that, that trust also gained. And this kind of stories definitely make me feel prouder. I'm definitely not bragging about it, guys, but this definitely made me proud that whatever work I was doing, I was actually doing in building the community. And because of that, it's not like only you all have gained. I have also gained. I gained more trust from the people. I got a lot of opportunities from different companies to work in, because of which I was able to start iNeuron.ai. It is all because of your trust that you had on me, right? So each and every day I'm currently working now also to actually provide more content to you all so that you can happily learn and learn in an efficient way, so that finally everybody should be able to get jobs or start their own company. But in between, many people were also requesting, Krish, can you just upload videos, data science videos in Hindi, right? And I was saying that yes, one day I will try. I'll start uploading videos in Hindi. Definitely, Hindi should also be given as a priority because in India, many people speak Hindi, right? And if they understand the concepts of data science in Hindi, probably they will be able to explain everyone in an amazing way, right? Now, this is the reason why I'm making this particular video, guys. I've also started my data science Hindi channel. I started it long back, But till now I have uploaded 50 to 60 videos. Let it be with respect to stats, Python, machine learning, data science, deep learning. Also, I'm going to start very soon. Now, this is the huge announcement that I really want to make. Whatever different kind of videos I have probably made in my English channel, the similar thing I'm going to do it in Hindi channel. But this time it will be more in crisp, structured approach and in much more depth. Because the things that I know right now, if I compare 2 to 3 years back, it has drastically improved, guys. So more new concepts, more amazing things, more interview questions to you all, because so many people have actually made transitions. I've spoken to them what all kind of questions will definitely be coming. So yes, this is for you all, guys. Data Science Hindi channel. The channel name will be Krish Naik Hindi. The link will be given in the description of this particular video. You can check those videos out. And one request, guys, since we are actually helping the entire community to get builded up over here, so please make sure that you share this channel with everyone. And I hope so that just within a couple of months this year, I'm also aiming to upload somewhere around 600 to 700 videos in my Krish Naik Hindi channel related to data science. Okay, there we'll be focusing on machine learning, deep learning, stats. Then we'll go with big data. Then we'll go with Power BI, Tableau, and I will try to provide you all those specific knowledge. So yes, this was it. I definitely need your help in sharing my channel. The link will be given in the description of this particular video. Till then, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, Wandal. Bye bye.